Greetings, thanks for joining me. You may already know that my little girl was recently in the Nutcracker, and for that she needed what's called a nudie. All you dance moms out there know what I'm talking about. I found this little guy on Amazon.com. This is the color Nude Pink. It's a really lovely color. She was a caterpillar in the Nutcracker, but I didn't know that the costume was cut low in the back. Oops. These crisscrossy straps were highly visible in the back. Thanks to my friend Crystal, who had double stick tape. Before every single performance, Crystal was taping these straps back under the costume so that you couldn't see them. So I just wanted to point that out for any dance moms, dance dads, dance grandparents out there. Be mindful of these straps in the back. As just a leotard to wear to dance class every week, this is so sweet. The color's perfect. It goes with all of her tights. It goes with all of her tutus. She loves it. She looks absolutely adorable in it.
I'm losing you. Ain't love the sweetest thing.
Elowel Kids Girls Double Strap Camisole Leotard. I should point out that my ballerina is incredibly tall. She just turned 6 and I had to get this in a size 8'10". So this was her first time performing on a big stage where she had to wear makeup. She's not used to keeping her hands off of her face. So she had red lipstick all over her fingers, which then went all over her leotard. It washed really well. Hang drying it worked really well, and it's really cute on my little ballerina. So I'm really happy with it. Thanks so much for joining me. Take care. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.